Crews are still working to find the unmarked graves from the 1921 Tulsa Race Massacre. Today, Oklahoma Archaeological Survey folks collected samples of soil at a Tulsa park, testing to see if they need to start digging there. Fox 23's Alexa Mostrom got a look at where they are testing and learned why they were led to that park in the first place.
People very much so would like to know where their loved ones may yet be buried, and especially if they were buried so unceremoniously as to be placed into a clandestine trench.
Dr. Carrie Stackelbeck with the Oklahoma Archaeological Survey explains New Block Park is one of the last locations they're searching as part of this investigation. Thursday morning, they brought equipment and got to work collecting samples of the soil.
We conduct soil testing so that we can get a sense of what's going on with the natural soil stratigraphy, and then also to determine whether or not we're actually getting any indications of disturbance of soil that would be potentially consistent with a mass grave, trench-style mass grave feature.
If they find an anomaly or disturbance, something that may not be caused by the parking lot or cement, they know they need to investigate the park further.
It really is just about getting a sense of what's going on in the soils in these locations so that we can determine whether or not we think additional steps may be warranted here.
Stackelbeck says they chose to test the park because of tips from community members.
These are areas that were brought to our attention by an informant who approached our historian Scott Ellsworth and provided this information to him.
And the people in the community are the reason why they need to keep investigating.
It's definitely worth our while to continue this effort and hopefully find these victims, regain their identities, and hopefully return them to their families.
Covering news that matters, I'm Alexa Mostrom, Fox 23 News.
The soil will be sent to the lab for testing. We will update you when they release the results.